how to fix sponsor request limit reached on Cash App. So if you're getting this kind of error that the sponsor request limit reached on Cash App, it's because Cash App requires identity verification to increase sending and receiving limits. And to verify your identity, you can provide your full name, date of birth, and last four digits of your social security number for US users. Now, Cash App cannot verify users under 18, and if Cash App can't verify your account using the information, they may ask for additional details. To verify your identity, open up Cash App and go to your account tab. You'll find the verify identity option that you'll be able to find here. Once you're there, you'll tap on the get started button and it will ask you for a couple of information where you can tap and continue. Select the reason and everything else that you have. It will ask you also for your first name and last name and other options, and once then your identity will be verified and the limit will also be lifted. And I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.